forfeiture. Meaning, loss of something as a penalty or punishment. Synonyms: penalty, loss, confiscation. Example: he faced the forfeiture of his property. Unfeeling. Meaning, without sympathy, emotion, or kindness. Synonyms: cold, heartless, insensitive. Example: his unfeeling words hurt everyone. Sigh. Meaning, to breathe out deeply because of sadness, relief, or tiredness. Synonyms: exhale, groan, murmur. Example: she gave a long sigh of relief. Parleys. Meaning, discussions or talks between enemies or opposing sides. Synonyms: negotiations, talks, discussions. Example: the soldiers held parleys before the battle. Quagmire. Meaning, a difficult, confusing, or dangerous situation. Synonyms: mess, trap, dilemma. Example: the country was stuck in a political quagmire. Conflagration. Meaning, a very large and destructive fire. Synonyms: blaze, inferno, firestorm. Example: the forest was destroyed in a conflagration. Decapitated. Meaning, having the head cut off. Synonyms: beheaded, executed. Example: the statue looked decapitated after the storm. Forged. Meaning, made or shaped strongly / made illegally as a fake copy. Synonyms: formed, created, shaped / counterfeited, faked. Example: a strong friendship was forged / he used a forged signature. Conciliatory. Meaning, intended to make peace or reduce anger. Synonyms: peaceful, calming, diplomatic. Example: she gave a conciliatory smile.